Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, everyone. Before I start, I'm introducing myself. I am Jefferson Elavilla, section EMT 2A. So, this afternoon, I'm discussing about product rule for derivatives, quotient rule for derivatives, and chain rule for derivatives. So, this afternoon, our first problem to solve, or first derivatives to discuss is ang product rule. So in the board, we have the formula. So, muna itong formula. Derivative with respect to x of u times b is equals to u times derivative of b with respect to x plus b times the derivative of u with respect to x. Not a product of two functions, which is ang u and ang v. So, muna itong formula gamiton pag solve. So, this is our first problem or first example to solve. So, find dy over dx if y is equals to x squared sin x. So, ang y daw is ang product siya sa two functions, which is ang x squared o ang sin x. So, ato siya i-solve. Let u, so ang imong u is kining x squared. So, x squared. Then, the second function is ang sin x. Kining, sin x. So, ito siyang i-solve. Ang kabutang mo dito is ang find dy. So, find dy. Ito siyang i-simplify. Dy over dx. So diri dv over derivative of b with respect to x. So ang u is yung u niya, ang u is equals to x squared. So mani ang atong u, x squared times derivative over derivative of x. So ang v niya karon, so ang kini dv, so yung derivative of kanya is ang sin x. Sin x times plus, so yung v is ang sin x. Second function, sin x plus sin x times d over derivative of x. So, ang u niya is ang kaning x squared. So, x squared. At ito lang siyang i-rearrange. So, x squared. Kaya yung u man diri. So, yung lit u is ang x squared. So, x squared times. So, kabalo naman ta na ang derivative of sin x is equals yun siya sa cos sin x. Cos sin x. So, plus sin x. So, applying. So, mag-apply tag power rule diri. Kining 2x. Aring x squared. Apply na siya power rule. So, mayroon na siya 2x. I-arrange na natin siya or equal. I-arrange x squared times cosine x plus, so itong i-arrange 2x ato siyang i-transfer diri 2x times sin x. So therefore mani siya atong final answer sa product rule. So this time atong i-solve na sad is ang quotient rule. Quotient rule for derivatives is magamit nato na formula pag mag-differentiate ta og quotient na two functions. So, mani atong formula, derivative of x over uv is equals to v derivative of u with respect to x minus u with the derivative of v with respect to x all over b squared. So, ito siyang solve. So, muna itong first problem. Find dy over dx if y is equals to x squared plus 1 over 3x plus 1. So, muna itong first problem. So, natin quotient of two function. So gamito na ito ang function, quotient rule. Quotient rule of derivatives. So, using of formula of quotient rule, so atong yung is kaning, numerator na x squared plus 1. So, u x squared plus 1, then atong v is kaning denominator na 3x plus 1. V. 3x plus 1. So therefore, pag pakita na to ang dy over dx is using this formula. For the numeric, kinisa. Ito siyang equal na, ito siyang simplify. dy over dx. So for the numerator, so we have ang kining so we have b. So ato ra ning i-copy kining b 3x plus 1 times the derivative of x. So ngani siya. So ang iyang boundary, so ang iyang u, di ba kay ang u diri is ang kining x squared plus 1. So ato ring copy diri x squared plus 1 na then minus u niya, kapilahin ko na itong u, x squared plus 1. So, derivative of x. So, ang yung v is kining 3x plus 1. So, ito may copy, 3x plus 1. So, atong 1 is kining b squared. So, ato rin i-copy ning sa b, 3x plus 1 squared. Why wala nga squared? Because kini siya manggod. Ang ganing din sa formula, sa v, siyang v is naka-squared gate siya. So, muna siya din, pag-copy na to, dapat naka-squared po siya. Kaya may nakabutan sa formula. So next, ito na siyang simplify. So we have 3x. Siyang simplify 3x plus 1 over, simplify na ito The derivative aning x squared is 2x. 2x. So, ang derivative aning x squared is 2x plus ang constant rule aning 1 is 0. 0. So, minus copy lang ni siya x squared minus plus 1. So ang derivative aning 3x is 3 plus 0. Kaya ang constant sa 1 is 0. So, copy lang natin siya. Copy natin yung 3x plus 1 squared. Ano siya? So, unsa man siya? So, saan man siya? Derivative na to siya term by term. Simplify further. You have 3x. Buta na nato dili pikas para makita niyo ang kadol. 3x wait, a minute. Nagagi 3x. Simplify further ya, to ay simplify na siya. Plus 1 to so kabula na ta 2x plus 0 is equals to 2x. Minus, kapila na ito siyang x squared plus 1. X squared plus 1. So 3 plus 0 is equals to 3. So, i-copy lang yan po na yung ito ng x squared. Kaya siya 3x plus 1 squared. So saan sa pag-solve? So, simplify natin ni siya, din i-distribute. So, i-distribute natin ang 2x. Distribute natin ang 2x dito sa 3x. Nara siya, build natin siya. 3x times 2x is equals to 6x squared. So, mahimong 3x squared minus 3. Kaya, ato lang siya i-distribute ang minus. So, x squared minus times 3 is equals to 3x squared then minus 3. Dili, wala naman siya i-square na minus 3. So, ito na i-copy. Copy niya kung itong kaning x squared. Kaya copy 3x plus 1 equals to square root. So, ato siyang i-simplify. So 6x squared minus 3x squared is equals to 3x squared plus 2x. Okay, 2x minus 3. Copy natin siya 2x, so kaning minus 3. Suppose, copy ka po ng 3 squared, 3x plus 1 is equals to squared. So, muna ito ang final answer sa quotient rule. Pinaan sa pag-solve ang quotient rule. So, last problem nga itong i-solve isang chain rule for derivatives. So, makita na ito ang formula na direct. Yung formula na d over dx is equals d over dx of if g of x is equals to f prime of g of x times g prime of x. So, kung kita na doon dy ubos na yun siya under na formula dy over dx is equals to dy over du times du over dx. So, mag-solve tag another problem. Naraya problem na itong i-solve. Y equals to 2x plus 1 squared. Pag nga natin composite function, pwede na itong paitaan iyang derivative using chain rule. Chain rule. So, yun siya, pwede natin siya i-represent. Pwede natin i-represent ang function as composite function by letting f of x is is equal to the outside function any variable kini squared, so 3x any variable raised to the third power, then what is that? 3 raised to the third power, then 3, so 3x. Then ato inside function g of x is equals to Ang inside mo na to is kini 2x plus 1. So, ito yung putang 2x plus 1. So, such that y can be equal. So, imong y is ma-equal ani? Kini. Magkita ninyo? Kini. Kita, ma-equal na niya. So, such that y can be equal. So, y equals to f of g of x equals to 2x kanina 2x kanina kita niyo kanina 2x plus 1 plus 1 squared the whole machine. Applying opposite function, if i-try natin kita ng derivative or ang dy over dx. So applying for the formula of chain rule, so kita natin derivative. F of x, f prime of x is equals to 3x squared. Evaluated siya as a g of x. F prime g of x. F prime of x is kaning cube. Kaning 3x cube. Kaning. Mali atong f prime of x kaning cube kaning 3 to the raised to the third power. So ito lang i-minus. Ano siya? Ito lang i-minus 3 minus 1. So mayroon siyang 2. So ano siya? Ano siya ang libutan 3x 2 basta maglibog mo nga asa na magigwa ang squared. Ako na lang siyang i-minus 3 minus ako na siyang i-minus ang 3 sa 1. So mayroon siyang 2. Okay? So mayroon siyang 3x squared. Ano siyang evaluate sa g of x? So g of x. So atong ilisan ang mga x. So atong ilisan ang mga x sa 3x. Kaya sa ato siya nang ilisan ng x ani. Ato siyang ilisan ng x ani sa mismo nga g of x na 2x plus 1. Di 3 atau saya evaluate 2 deh. Jadi 2x plus 1 squared. Atau saya evaluate itu x plus 1 squared. And then sa formula din na nato ang g prime of x. So kita nato ang g prime of x. So this time derivative na pod atong giset natong g of x kini yung g prime kani 2x plus 1 ay sa atong giset nato nga g of x kani 2x plus 1 ini sa nasulod. Derivative na to term by term. Derivative ng 2x is 2. So ato siyang i-derivative term by term. Dati na g prime of x equals to 2. So derivative ng x is 1 equals 1 times 1 2 times 1. So derivative ng 1 is constant 0. Constant yun siya ng 0 kaya kablo na wita nga ng 1 is constant kung yun na siya 0 plus equals to or equal lang siya sa 2 or equals lang siya sa 2. So ang final formula ato ra i-multiply ang kaning duha. So therefore dy dy over dx equals no is equal to f prime of g of x is 3x 3 to x plus 1 squared. So g prime of x is 2. Simplify times g prime of x is 2. I-times na to siya sa 2. Simplify first. 3 times 2 is 6. E times 2 is 6. Then ini 3 times 2 na siya 6. So ato lang siya i-copy ang inside. Kanina ini. Kaya ato lang siya i-copy. 2x plus 1 equals to 2. So, mana siya atong final answer. So,